Hi, I'm Daniele for Lunar team and this is our first status video for Lab2Moon Competition by Team Indus. So far 3 weeks have passed since we were shortlisted among more than 3,000 projects all over the world for the final phase of the competition. My teammates and I have been working hard to make some progress in the realization of our project of growing a plant on the moon. During the previous weeks, we better outlined the key points of the experiment.
Our aim is to grow a plant on the moon in a protected artificial environment and study its behavior with particular attention to its roots and how they will react to the almost absence of gravity on the moon if compared to Earth. The growth movement by a plant in response to gravity is called gravitropism. In particular, on Earth, roots show positive gravitropism, while stems show negative gravitropism. That is, roots grow in the direction of gravitational pull, and stems grow in the opposite direction. The fact that gravity on the moon is very low could be deleterious for the root, and thus for the entire plant, which could be lost without a correct direction to follow. We want to study how the plant will react to this and whether this will result in a slowdown in its growth.
One of our main efforts during these weeks has been the design of a CAD model of the experiment, which you can see in this picture. The dimensions of the experimental setup were constrained by Team Indus' availability on their cargo, so we tried to make better utilization of each centimeter cube they were willing to give to the winner of the contest. The external case, which has the shape of a can, will be made up of a thermal non-conducting material to keep the internal environment at the right temperature for all duration of the experiment.
On the top, there will be the electric system, which will consist of sensors and LEDs. As for the LEDs, they are necessary to let us focus on the effect of lunar gravity on the plant growth. Another solution could be to use natural sun illumination, but then there would be too many variables to take into account, which would make the experimental results difficult to analyze. By using an internal artificial light, we can have these variables fixed and focus just on gravity.
As for the sensors, they will consist primarily in small cameras with the aim of taking pictures through a transparent tube of the plant while it grows with particular attention to its roots. In fact, our system is based on the separation of roots and the soil in order to study the root growth direction. This separation is mediated by a soft membrane. This way, nutrients and water will be absorbed by the plant without having to be in contact with the substrates.
Our next step will be to try to build a prototype to demonstrate the feasibility of this experimental setup, at least on Earth. Finally, once done, we will have to engineer it to be sure that it will work on the moon too.
It's still a long way to the realization of the final model, but we will try our best to give ourselves and Team Indus the chance to set up a new important milestone in human history, which we think our experiment could represent. Stay tuned.